What up, YouTube? Back with another video. And this one is just just saying that I have a social media. It'll be in the outro. Boy, yeah, I just got an outro. It's actually pretty bad, but it's good. And yeah, I get. Oh God! Ow! 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 Oh God! Ow! There was a thumbtack that I landed on. It hurt my foot. Oh God! Am I bleeding? No, it's just a little hole. Okay. So yeah, I'm on social media. I have Instagram and Snapchat. For some reason, I can't get Twitter, because I don't feel like it, and Twitter's dumb. Yeah. So follow me on those. Link down below in the comment. Oh no, not in the comment. What am I doing with my life? And yeah, just go check that out if you have those Instagram things. And I'll be posting things that are amazing. Check out my other channel, Happy Pickle, and hashtag most squeakiest fidget spinner in the world. Ow. And let me show you what has happened. Okay, so I was gonna post a video yesterday, but I'm like, nah, because my friends' kids were here and they are annoying. And they don't know about this YouTube channel, and I don't want them to, because then they know that I said that, and they're going to be like slapping, they'll be really mean. And yeah, Chase, hashtag save me, and why haven't you come back yet from your vacation? And yeah, wait a minute, hold on. We have a new member to the Glasses family. So first we got this amazing thing. And now we have dun 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 dun. You might say it's gay. It's not gay. It's called being fabulous. And yeah, it's just a random video, like always. And hashtag my lamp just fell over. You can see right here my lamp just fell over. And hashtag new camera set. And then hashtag new baby bowl. The baby bowl, if you can't see it. It's right there. Like right above my finger. And now I'm looking bossy. John. Oops. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. And hashtag. Wait. We better open up with some windows. Hashtag summertime. It's not. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's sunny out. It's a good degrees. And hashtag summertime. And wait, this video can't be over yet. Barely did anything. If you've seen my oh, it's in Happy Pickle. My 3 a.m. challenge, which is in Happy Pickle, and while my shoulder's itchy. And wait, what percent is my iPad? Gotta scroll down. Why is it suddenly getting dark? And okay, wait. I just gotta see what percentage it is. Okay, it's 10%, and I am gonna just put this on my new camera thing. I don't know why I gotta put this. like that, and then better open up the window. Wait, what's going on? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Better open up the window. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Dun, dun. Wait, where's the sun? Actually, these glasses work really well. Wow, I'm looking at the sun directly, and it's not even. Oh God. Bro, these glasses be on point. These glasses be snapping. Like snapple. Yeah, and I got a new. Wait a minute. Okay, so I got a new GoPro. It's a noise. It's a Hero 3 Plus. It's actually not a noise, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. And I got $5, and it's not a lot. I got a Lego gun, which I made like a long time ago. What am I doing? I got a toothbrush. And no, it's not baby. I actually used it to brush my foot. Yeah. I actually have another toothbrush. Okay. And plane that I stepped on and basically just broke my foot. Dun 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 9/11. And oh God, I feel suddenly bad that now that I said that. And yeah, I got Legos and oh God, karma almost got me. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be a Freddy Fazbear. Bye. Random videos. These are baby birds. They have just hatched, and they are now putting them out there. But no, what was that? Okay, I'm just gonna get out of here. Yeet. Oh God, that's beautiful. We just found out that there's a nest in there, and yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I kind of like split the video to like really dark outside. We literally just like had dinner like on like I guess like an hour ago, and so that little clip was my mom was gardening, and then I guess she like poked a nest and she found like baby birds. There's little like huge red things with the like mouths of the baby birds. It was pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically it. Pretty nice, if you ask me. Wally Winka. And oh God. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hashtag brand new classes. Dun dun dun. Yeah, drop them. Oh God, drop the music. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. And yeah. Bye.